Hey y'all, guess what? Yep, there's a storm coming in from the north again. You damn Yankees gotta mess with us Southerners. But winds are getting pretty strong, like they were yesterday. Thunder and some really good lightning. All I did was come out to have a smoke. Oh shit! Jesus! Damn! Well, I better put this stuff away and fix this up. Nothing like hitting the head with a screen door. That shows you how bad the winds were. That door's been propped up against my house since I moved in here. Holy God. Wow, damn. I expect that the rains are going to start any second. Yeah, I said it. Oh dear. Imagine that. It's raining again. Good thing it's at night. I'm just going to have my evening smoke. Then go hook up my face to the mask. Never mind, that's for another day. Anyway, y'all have a blessed night. I hope it's not raining where you are.